recording? Okay, we are recording. It's about to start. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So, syntax, all of them.
I just missed. I was like.
Okay, so are we supposed to figure out?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're supposed to find illegal things. Fun times. So, it looks like I got it. Okay, I see what it is. Some lines are incomplete or corrupted. So what are corrupted? Where a chunk closes with the wrong character. Well, how many is incorrect? Okay, so we are supposed to look for corrupted lines first. So obviously we need to split the lines, and then lines dot for each element. So now that we have that, so we are supposed to find, so when it closes, so let current, I know what I need to put for this to work in the second part, but I'm gonna do this for the first. You know what? No, I'm gonna do it so I can get a good time on the second part. So let.
But I'll break everything and Alex.
What?
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
I'm not gonna do it.
So anyways, and so we need to go through the element. So
you must delete
if
all of this.
element of I is equal to, well, I mean, it's any of which characters. There we go.
This is the least likable individual ever.
I need to do dot match then. Dot match. Is it matches? I don't know. So, and then it needs to be that, and that. So get rid of those and then excuse them. So okay. So if it matches that, then current is equal to element of I. Else that means it's a closing. And then if element of I is equal to well, let me put so if element of I is equal to this one and current of, well, current is not equal to that means it's an illegal character, and we need to add okay, what? So it's a legal term container. Okay. I need a stack. Let character stack equal that. For let I equal 0, I is less than element. I didn't need to go through all of that, but if I need a let opening is equal to the what were they again? So that should be that, and then we need closing, so let closing and so that should help me just with that. So if element of I dot matches opening, then character stack dot push element I. So Okay. I'm just going to see if all of them start. Yeah, all of them start with 1, so I don't have to worry about an illegal character being the first one. And then if element of I dot matches the closing one, that means that we need to check the last character stack. So let last equals character stack dot pop if it doesn't match. So if let pairs is so I need that, the pair is that, I need that, the pair is that. I don't need comma there, I need a colon. Curly bracket, end curly bracket, and then this character, that character. So that should give that. So if pairs of last is not equal to element of I, and then so give it the numbers, so 3. And it says we need to stop on the first one, so square bracket. I'm assuming there's a reason why it's these numbers, because like these seem like arbitrarily random numbers to put there, but we'll see when we get to the next part, obviously. 25137. So yep, and then I need a sum value, so let sum equal 0, and then return sum, obviously. Good news is once we find the sum plus equals values of element of I, and then we should be able just to return, like we don't even need to be in this function anymore. So just to see if this worked for the above example. Well, now that I think about it, so it's not going to be perfect because I have to get rid of the incorrect lines, but how do I know which one's incorrect?
Check.
Okay, so then, so this one, it says it's incomplete. So I see why. It's because it doesn't end. It doesn't have this. Like it has this, and then it has like all the complete ones. Well, actually no. And so there.
Get back to your calculus, bitch.
And then closing. Oh, okay, I see. So the incompletes are the ones that have still character stacks in them. Well, that shouldn't matter. So if it gets to this point, okay, actually it shouldn't matter then. Oh, match is not a function. Okay, is it match? Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, and then part 2. So, incomplete lines don't have any incorrect. They're just missing some characters. You need to figure out that complete all open chunks. Okay. Got it. So then, so the last would be start with the total score, multiply the total score by 5. Okay. Okay. Like I said, this is what I knew what I needed to get a better part 2, and this is what it is. It was the character stack. So the incomplete lines. So now we don't need this value anymore. We don't need sum, and we don't. We need to change these to 1, 2, 3, 4. So good news is now if we get to this, it should just be incomplete lines. So let me see. So for we have to go backwards, so I is equal to character stack dot length minus 1. I is greater than or equal to 0, and then I minus minus. And then, so then, now that we're going through it backwards, we need to get the value. We also need to have I'm just going to say score. Do I need to add up all the scores? What is the middle score? And sorting all of them and taking the middle score. That we always. Okay, so we need to find. So scores is equal to an array. Let's score equals 0. And then score is equal to. Do we multiply by 5 first? We multiply by 5 first for some reason. Score times equals 5. Score plus equals character. So pairs of character stack of I. And then we need to put that in the scores. So scores. In fact, we don't even need this second variable. We just need values of the character stack, because we don't need to reverse it. And so this should give us the score, and then we can push. So scores dot push scores or score. And then we need to return the middle one, so scores of score.length divided by 2. Pairs is not defined. Oh, I guess I need it. Well, I don't want to remove all that code, so let pairs equal. What am I doing? I don't want to type that all again. I'm just going to. Boom. Undefined. Cool. Let me just see scores. Yes, but see, there is scores.
Huh?
Scores. Wait, it says it's always odd. Okay, it is always odd. Oh, what am I doing? Math.floor. Not the right answer. The middle one. Well, what is that? So it'd be 50. It'd be, so if it'd be the 53rd element, it would be. Well, let me see if it works with this answer. So it'd be 5 of them. Ah. So yeah. It needs to be minus 1. Oh, what am I doing? I have to sort it. Sort. And then I forgot to sort it. And it'd be. Oh, that's not right.
What? I have like a jabillion.
Wait a minute. So maybe I'm not even. Maybe this isn't even right. How my scoring method isn't even right.
I need to go by Walmart.
Okay.
You share some with me when
What?
I run out.
Oh, okay, it's not sorting. Like, that's not right. Sort A, B, return A minus B.
Yeah, this will tide you over.
Okay, there we go. That was weird. Okay.
And my head hit the floor. Bam!
And then
15 milligrams of melatonin.
okay, that was weird. I don't know why. There we go. So I'm done. Wasn't that simple? I even called like me knowing that the naive solution I was going to do wasn't going to work, because that's just how Advent of Code always works. it's
Just
because
more
they
water.
always like, okay, well you can do this solution, but then it may not work for the second solution, so you gotta somehow think far ahead. So yeah, I mean, I mean I'm done, so I can stop the recording at least.